What's up, guys? Nick and Man Auto Clinic. We got ourselves a Hummer today. Now, I've already diagnosed this. This car came in running really rough. So today I'm going to show you guys how to replace an ignition coil. You have a bad coil. This is what it entails. So follow along with me. We're going to get up in here. Now, I've already loosened a couple different things here. First things first, let's get the tube off. We'll get this guy out of here. All right. Now, like I said, I've already diagnosed this, and I've already marked which coil it is. It's going to be number 4, which is this guy back here. Let's get the camera up in there so that they can see. You guys can see me. So we're going to replace this guy. You pull this connector off. We got one bolt there. We got one bolt down here, and then we're going to take this out. And there's our old coil. This one's no good. Now on top of these coils, this piece right here controls the spark, okay? So if you have this style, you got to double check these and make sure that you're sparking out the boot down here, because a lot of times this is called the transistor. That transistor goes bad. We got ourselves our new coil. We're going to swap this bad boy out. Drop it right in the hole. Get your bolt started. And we'll run it down. Just like that. Plug her back in. Okay. We'll get our tubes back on. Now I'm just going to lay this on here for right now just so I can verify my repair. You guys always want to double check yourselves. This is just going to sit just like that until... Now we got 2 bolts that bolted. But first I want to double check my scanner. So let's see what we got. All right. Got ourselves our scanner. We're on our misfire counters. So let me show you guys here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but see those? So we're running. We got no counters. So our ignition coil fixed our misfire. So that's a good way, guys, to quick and easy. And then you know, we'll go from there as far as anything else, but quick and easy. If you guys got a car that's running real rough, especially these type of Hummers, these vehicles, this engine's also been put into Trailblazers. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward, as you can see. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Shoot out a comment if you want some comment. Let me know what kind of content you guys are looking for, and we'll see you on the next one. Nick and Man Auto Clinic, we're keeping you rolling. Bye.